Rotary Orchard ringkat ke jing snok tilang bat ke KHEDC Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Rotary Club of Shillong District Horticulture Office bat ka kur kharbuli kalayo banthung hadu sanspa tli kitinrai so po khasi haayom ksiar kabadan hasoreng kham hakani kasngi lawan bandon lang uba penyat sing CEM ka KHEDC u Manas Chowdhury ubadei menteri barim ka sarkar jilla ringkat kiwei pat ki noyalam ka Rotary Club ki khina school ki noyalam shnong bat ki patba nakaliang u CEM ulaong baka soring kham kalong ka shnong ka bapaka tam banthung yaki jingthung ki babon jaj bat lingba kani ka jingthung yaki ni kitenrai ding sopo khasi kalong ka jingstang bat nangni shakmat an sathung ru sakiwei pat ki jaka lingba ka jingtrei lang bat kiwei pat ki kinhon Hakaju kapor u CEM ula ai jingmut ya ka Rotary baka deiru banle AA bante lakam ya ki jing jabo jongki kiwa khamtam ya kawa umngat bat kawa umkhen ki bedei kiwa badon hakani kashnong
Te kani ke program kabangitip kalong kabangitip kerke hakani ka step hendai asngo kuman bat banong ba ka jingdorong kan jong barolang nadu kini kina school ngai kublei ki headmaster baladon lang kadai ke program ke ba kampla hakani ka shnong te ngai skam lengba kani ke program ke ba penlong ya kani ka jing tung ya ki ding ya ki sopo khasi te kalong ka ba pla hadu katata bat ngisno sorong Nabenta kaneka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission kabala ay kalat ya kaban pli lat pelti bantung ya kini giding sobo kasi hakani ke jaga chung kong aniyom chung ini kong anika ayong ksiar kharbuli tengai skam lengba kani ke jingtung ya kini ki ding sobo kasi ketika wega lat nabenta karukom hakar rep karyang Kasinong surong kam galong ko bahe bat ki babon hang ni kilong inong rem ngais kam lengba kane ka jingstang hakani ke jaka kejong igong kharbuli ngais kam leng baki nong song snong kinyo i bat kilaru banang pertubun hakis ngi baki por benwan kublai sibun ya gini gibla penbit pembiang ya kane program bat banle ya kane ka symbolic tree plantation kamu kadi ke jingmentoy na benta kitrai jo kadi ke jaka bat khamtam ru kadi ke jisrong bat ke jing ke nuksa babha nam ta ke nong sisnong ban pen ya ke jing bet jingbiang bat ke jing sedang bah ke singi ke ban ba ke jing sedang nam ta kadi ke por bat khamtam gila ban but ha ke singi ke ban sawan.
This is the first time we have come to Swaringham, and thanks to the horticulture department, our friends, and I suppose a lot of credit also should go to the young and dynamic chief executive member of the district council. You know, all my life I have seen very old people holding office of CEM. I am yet to see such a young dynamic person occupying such an important position. So that shows the dynamism of the place, and we are happy that we are able to Rotary and the district council have been able to join hands in this little project. Rotary is an international organization, but let me not go into the international part. In Shillong, what do we do or what we have achieved so far? We have been helping the community here. If you see the Wells Mission Hospital, most of the major programs, expansion, modernization, Rotary has helped. We have helped the Nazareth Hospital. We are helping all the health sector people wherever we can. We are also doing in the field of education in schools. We are helping the children where there is no drinking water. We are giving the kids, making their classrooms lively and interesting. We are giving the infrastructure support. This is all done not because of any foreign money or bank assistance. It is being done by Rotarians themselves who spend their own money. Not for themselves, but for others. Rotary believes in service above self, and this is exactly what we are doing here this morning. When we are planting these little saplings today, many of us will not be there to see the fruit. But there are some young people, I can see in them, we see the hope that they will reap the benefit of the fruits that will be grown in the orchard, Rotary Orchard. It's a small project, and I want to tell our friends in horticulture that we, Rotary Club, will be too happy to join hands with you in any other area you want us to give you assistance. If there is manpower needed, even if you need manpower, volunteering, we are there to help you. Please, this is an open offer we are giving. So, on behalf of Rotary Club of Shillong and on my behalf, I thank the Shillong and the organizers for giving us this opportunity to be with you and to be of little help. We hope it will make a small benefit, small change. It will be our extreme pleasure when we see the difference.
Personally, yang Shimet ngalak dan hang ni po Soron Kham Morgan constituency for almost 10 years. They ngalak rung ngalak mi bah kishnong ki baret ki bahe ki caka ba pher ngilap ketika kishnong ke constituency ke ba piang bah balong favorable bah ke climate, let's say for farming. Ladang ngilek fruit farming, lani agriculture farming, whatever, lani what ini livestock. But recently we just inaugurated this one livestock from veterinary hospital here in Soron Kham to help these farmers around. They nakaliang jungi ngi sutu ba kibabun hi ki nong shong hani constituency jungi ki de ki badang kershan yala de dakarap. They kei ka ba penlong yang shimet ban yo mensem ban long encourage motivated hadin ba menshim snam nga shakhot hapo Delhi fikir mau iba solia haka International Wine Expo ha Delhi but ngi kendu ya babun bahaki embassies na kiwe wiki ri akan mau ngi kendu French ambassador but haka taka ji kendu ko jungi hadin ba naka Government of Meghalaya Farmers Commission ki la pen iya ki wine niki umso wine ki ba lashna diki entrepreneurs ki jongi nang ni po Meghalaya but khamtam ya so lang akan mau uni uso phasi wild apple but so yom but ngakan mau sa to French ambassador I really like ni wild apple wine mah na po Meghalaya te kani ka penkendit lada kibriyo na kibai pat kiri kisutho ya ka jing long terbang ya ka jaka jumi bagila ban pimi ya ki fruit wines te kaddu kan long ka jingerap na kamtagi nong nong ki nong rap na dangila ban hikai ya ki ban peni kalenti ya ki te nomor takadaw masin fu ni ba solia nga hajingmut jang al syong bito ngin ya bi shakmat ngin le kani bat longkat balong ngin sedang namar ondala sedang kiwe kin sanang ya ban ya buat te kata ka ba penlong ini ba ngin yo penekren be ikom ayom ser karbuli ibadan ya kini kecaka ke bahe bat masro ban aku play kerpang i lok jui i ba kenjai dan syong stadian kham tam i kpa jung iru nai i hantai i ba kruwar leshi pun i ba kruwar de shi perlok simen sem ha bai pa jungi te i dan lang leshi pun so komen man i mentak ngiru punjo te ngangit skem ba kani ka jing stang jungi ban thungi kini kisan spa tali kitan rai din so khasi kan datang ke jing sedang kan empat day ke jingkut nang nish khmat ngin saya skiwi wiki cakar but kermen scam ba kat kum ka land holding system ke bangidon ngidon ki caka private land ngidon ki clan land kum jong i the mentah ni nang tangidon ki community land ki right land te bat ki caka jong ki hima te kum ki niru ngin persyang bani trailang ba ka Farmers Commission Rotary Club kibapun bah kilong baran land where we need to plant some trees, either fruit trees or any other trees, which will benefit in both ways to uplift the livelihood of our people and also for us to get a good environment. Kata ka ba ngi so ba ngi don kam da ka ba ngi thung dieng ha jaka ka ba mdon dieng ka ba selen ki klau kini ki lo tele se kan yarap ingi om tang bangin yo ajing mentoy nakaba niyo dia kiso Henry wat ru kajing mentoy yangi ya kal air kaba kuit bangin ring mesim te khamtam ki khna school ki dan ne na try ki nisia ki dena Green Hills deh na no school oh okay so hab secondary but kinisia Presbyterian te kublishibun te ngets kem kajing dan jam fisia ki schools children students kan yarap shushu bapi la longkum ka practical kelas mentas ngi PPE nong itung dia ngi tai kan long che hikai pi ma te ngi scam kan ni rupin bu haji mut khat jampi kum ki khna ba pin kan mau ba pin sumar ya ka maria te kham tam ru ndai ban berat iki plastik kini kitai sha kat chabalap kan ni kan pen sneu hai ki wa ki jungi for your information Manas this Soronkam has 2 water bodies which is very popular. On my right side, there's the Wa Umngot, and the other side we have the Wa Umken. So these water bodies really contributed a lot to the farmers, all the way along to downstream. So actually, we need to do something how to protect these water bodies also in future. So this is really my dream, my goal, that we should do something because really people they need in future also to preserve these water bodies because for their livelihood and for this thing environment and all. We had discussion with Kong Pat also regarding how to preserve these water bodies. So a lot we need to do from district council. Of course we have very limited resources but still we have to try to protect our water bodies here in Meghalaya. Te ngidon kam rupan yada kat pala yaki niki wa kijungi ki belong ke jimentoy bagi yo bandi bar kiwe ki jimentoy kam tami kinong rap.
International treaty.
I request your as a
you also as a witness would like you to sign. No. Oh. And you can see the trees there, and beyond that. This is the area. It will be, I do not know how much is the area, but hopefully it will become into a good, beautiful orchard. 7 acres. 7 acres is what we are. 7.5 acres. 7.5 acres.
So, may I know from the department, like what is the area 7
Between the 8 by 8 meters. 8 by 8 meters.
You know, they have tried to make it of stage. You see the design. So when the trees finally grow, they will grow in a very, what do you say, organized manner.
From one
I think we better start, no?
Yes, yes. Please let the children also come back.
You do the honors then.
Yeah.
first tree planted.
I think we should give
Any watering?
Water.
Water.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Also slump.
It will be there.
It will rain in the afternoon.
It's going to.
I think you better call Madam Abella, no? Students, you stand with the
When you plant the trees, make sure that
stand
you
near
don't
the
put the
president.
plastic. Take it out, you keep it separate.
Yeah,
Don't put inside the thing, okay?
you put your hand. Amita, badge to
Badge, yeah,
it will look very nice.
Turn around a bit. Smile. Look this side.
You need to accept.
Here.
Madam, yes, but Madam, Basolia, come. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, you give me your bag. I'll hold.
Now let us start.